What? Oh my god. It's my first haul video in like a month. Clap it up. I'm back to posting hauls. You know, I've been in a little like hiatus because I've been lazy. I've been anyways, got a haul. I have like 4 on the way. You're about to see like 10 hauls in the next month. This chain is hitting the mic. I know you hear it. I said this haul's about 7 kg, and the shipping for this haul was 60 bucks. And you already know I use my free coupons on this haul, so that's why the shipping was so cheap. So instead of paying $100, you can sign up with my code. You can sign up with my code, first link in the description, if you want some free coupons. I mean, why not? Or you can use code Eddie if you already have an account, but sign up with the free link. It's not a recommendation, it's a serious recommendation. Oh my god, guys, I haven't done this in so long, I'm out of breath. But yeah, we need to open this haul. Come on, let's open this haul. Ho ho ho, ho ho ho, ho ho ho. Honestly, I shipped so many hauls like recently. I got no clue what's in this one. Hope there's nothing valuable in there. Is it bad that I'm out of breath? Like, you guys, please let me know. I'm just gonna grab things like always and I'm opening them. This looks interesting shape wise, so let's see what it is. Before I open this, can we talk about the decorations? I really like came in here and decorated this place. EDDIEKICKS sign, China flag, pillow, Ken Carson Goomba, bear bricks. I really came and decorated this place and I showed out. So the first item I got for this Cnfans 7 kg haul, let's see. Oh, these are Nike pants. That's eventful. That's eventful. Anyways, I'm gonna try them on, so look away. So here are the pants. I got these because the bottoms are like open. They're not like wide leg, but like they're, you know, they're not like squeezing my, what are these, ankles? I mean, they fit pretty nice. They're really thin, so like pretty good probably in the summer. Summer sweatpants. Oh, got a hole in my sock. Oh, I got 2 holes in my sock. These are $10, not bad. And I got another black one in here, so let me open it real quick. But yeah, these are pretty thin. I can't lie, they're kind of like very thin. Like, I think I got like 3 more pairs of sweatpants in here. I'm just gonna cruise through these. And by the way, if you want anything that I've shown, you can go to repsheets.net. So repsheets.com. No, not repsheets.net. That's repsheets.net. It's a spreadsheet, but it has 6,000 items on it, okay? And it's a website, so it's not like some Google spreadsheet where you have to keep scrolling. You can like search, you can like sort, you can sort by price, you can like, it's a really easy interface. It looks pretty cool, and it has a bunch of items that you can buy, so yeah. Like this item, if you want to find this item, you can go on repsheets.net and find it. So this is a Fortnite Balenciaga shirt. This is my second one because I got one for my brother. As you can see, everything's embroidered. It's pretty good quality. I mean, I clearly like the other one, so I got another. And this was like 30 bucks too. I mean, it's definitely embroidered. It's pretty good quality. So this is my brother, so I'm not gonna try it on because I don't even think it fits me. It looks like I have another pair of gray sweatpants. I don't know, must have got 2 on accident. I see an essentials package, so let me just get that. Oh, I forgot about this. This is interesting. So I actually was scrolling on my own spreadsheet and I saw this and I'm like, I forgot I even had this on there. So this is a essentials. Yes, essentials, I don't care. But like the letters, camera, you good? Camera. The letters are like popped out with their original material. Like, it's weird, like it's trippy. Like, it's not like it's plastic. It's like the cloth is like popped out. I don't know how it works, but it does what it does, and I'm gonna try it on. So holy, is this material kind of like trash? It feels like a Temu hoodie, so I do not recommend this at all. I don't know how it looks. It like kind of feels tight around the arms, it feels tight around the neck, it feels tight pretty much everywhere. I will not be wearing this. I won't. And you can find it at Goodwill because that's where I put all my clothes that don't fit me or anything. So I have 2 essentials hoodies. One of these essential hoodies is for my brother. I think the bigger one. So let's see. All right, so this is the essentials hoodie. Yeah, this one is way better. I know this seller. Really good seller. As you can tell, like quality feels really good. Feels 1-to-1 like a real hoodie. Soft on the inside. The letters are like really good in there. Good color, good sizing. I recommend this one. This was like 20 bucks too, so I'll put it in the spreadsheet. Search up Essentials hoodie and you'll find it. There may be like 10 other, but this was the one that's like 20 bucks. So yeah. Repsheets.net Essentials hoodie. Next I have like an interesting item. This is a I was asked to guinea pig this, which means to test it out. And this is a Supreme, like, I call them ski mask, but apparently it's like a baklava. Oh my god, it's tight. And it oh no, I can't even see on this thing. Hold on, I got too much hair, bro. He's already turning. Let's see. Oh, wait. Yo, I look crazy. First of all, second of all, yo, what? Oh my god, that's crazy. Yo, my eyebrow. Yo, I look so chopped right now. All right, enough of that fact. Look at that. So when I breathe out, it turns white. When I breathe in cold air, it turns black. So this whole face is white, or this whole place is white because my face is warm. Like my head, like look. Oh my god, this is cool. This is like $8 too, and that was pre-sale. Dang, like I kind of got aura. Like if I ever like go into winter mode, I'm bringing this. So next, what do I have next? I have this chrome heart bag. Chrome heart shirt. Chrome heart dagger shirt. Pretty fire. I already got one of these, so like I'm not gonna sit here and talk about it because it's in like 3 of my other videos. I got this shirt for like 4 people. They really like this, so I decided to get it for more people. So the last item, and this was like $2 by the way, for reference, was this like blind box of like action figures, I guess. So I got this is the biggest one I've seen yet. I got this cause figure. Yo, why is it so big? Like, it's the biggest one I've seen yet. I actually like, well, I hate like the small ones that like you have no use for. This one's cool though. Head moves, arms move, the legs don't move. I don't think they're supposed to. On the bottom says something that I don't know. I forgot how to read. Like, how do I review the action figure? Like, yeah, it moves, it does stuff. Like, it's plastic. Yeah. But if you enjoy my 7 kg haul, it wasn't really a climactic haul, but it was a haul at the end of the day. And if you got inspired, I know like everyone can rock an Essentials hoodie. Everyone can rock some Nike sweatpants. Everyone can rock some baggy sweatpants. Everyone can rock like a nice graphic t-shirt. So if you need something to buy, you got a nice preview of what stuff you can get from Cnfans. So yeah, make sure you get your Cnfans coupons. If you do buy it, it's like the #1 thing that I recommend. I'm gonna make a tips and tricks video, but this is definitely the #1 thing I recommend. Ask anybody, it's helped them so much because a 10% coupon does a lot more than you think when your shipping's like $100, $10 off. That's pretty good. Or like there's even some like $20 off coupons. I don't really know how it's distributed because I've seen some people get some good ones, but I don't know. Anyways, get your coupons, go to repsheets.net and buy. Now you can buy if you want. I mean, I don't get nothing from it. Find these items and buy them if you want. You have my recommendation. So yeah, my first video back, so I got a little nervous in this one, so next one will be better. Anyways, let me put the mask back on and turn into a young cracker. Thank you for watching and tune into the next one. Hey, peace. Yeah.